I posted a video tutorial yesterday of a new beginner's method that I found that I think is the easiest possible way to solve the Rubik's Cube. The video ended up being about 38 minutes because I go into depth for beginners on how to do every move. So this one is a condensed version. I'll put a link to the longer version in the description. And basically I'll show you what we're going to do here. The only two real algorithms you need, and they're not even really something you need to memorize, is what I'll call a right one. Some of the advanced cubers know it as the sexy move, and it's an R, U, R prime, U prime. And the other one is the mirror of that on the left side, which I'll just call the left algorithm, and it is an L prime, U prime, an L, and then a U. And that's all we're going to need with a few variations. So here we go. The first step we do is we create a daisy on the yellow side. So we move the white edge pieces up to the top, paying no attention to what the centers are. And once we have the daisy, we align the pieces, rotate 180 degrees, and repeat that for all of them. I wouldn't normally have to turn the cube and look at this if I weren't videoing it, but I'm doing it for a little bit of a sake of beginners. So we now have all four down here. We have the white cross. Now we're going to do the white corners, and we just position a corner above where it goes. So orange and green goes there, and do that right move until it's in the right place. And there it is. And we repeat for each of the other corners. So we have a blue and orange right there that's going to go there. So that didn't do it, that didn't do it, and now it's in the right place. And a green and red goes down there. So once is enough. This one's already on the bottom, so we just have to move it up and out. But there, that's done that. And that was just 4 times of doing the, or 4 sequences of doing that right move. Now we're going to do these edge pieces, so we need to find a colored edge. That one's there. This goes over to the right, so we know we move it out of the way to the opposite direction. We do our right move, we rotate, and do our left move. And we've inserted that. So let's find other ones. Here's the red and blue, which goes here. Since it's going down this way, we rotate out of the way over there. We do the right move first because it's going to the right. Rotate. So this white piece, I always use that as an indicator, is over at the left. And now we do the left move. And we've inserted that. So we've got red and green one. It goes here. We move it out of the way. Do the right move. Rotate. Do the left move. And the last one is green and orange. It goes there, move it out of the way, do the right move, rotate, and do the left move. And we've got the first 2 layers done. Now we figure out which corners we have. So here's a red and green. Okay, that doesn't look, there's only one, so there's blue and red. Blue and orange, so those 2 are good. These 2 are not. So I need to interchange these, and that's 3 moves of the right. A rotation of the cube to the left side now. I just put the white there to remember. So there's 1, 2, 3. And if I rotate, we can see green and orange is right, red and green is right, blue and orange, and blue and red. Now we do the yellow cross, an F first, and then the right move. F prime, set it back. We have the bar, so we do another F, and the right move, and back. Now we have our cross. Now we want to put our corners back over where they belong, and reverse this. And now we want to get them facing down, so we start with this one, do that right move until it's facing down. There it is. Rotate just the bottom slice. Okay, that one's all right. We need to do this one, so we do that right move until it's facing down, and they're all facing down now, so we rotate the cube over. We line up the corners, and we see that that side's good, and we have 3 edges that are off, so we position the solved edge towards us. We do the right move once. We do the left move once without rotating. And now we do the right side 5 times, so once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and now without rotating, the left side 5 times. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And that just rotated these, but it didn't solve it, so we need to do it one more time. So the right side once, the left side once, now the right side 5 times. It's once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and the left side 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And the cube is solved.